Hello everybody, my name is Fahad and this video is about the three different functions. Okay, the count function, the average and the sum function. Okay, so let's just look at the code and see how does it work. Okay, in the last video we have learned about how to use the minimum, min and the maximum, the function, and in this video we'll be talking about these three functions. First let me just define you these functions. The count functions return you the number of rows, okay, that matches the specified criteria. Okay, so if I just write name here and count here, it will give you the total number of rows. Okay, so now you can see that it is giving me the total number of the rows that a name column have. Okay, if I just write the indep here, it is giving me the 192 because in indep here we know that we do have some null values and the count function just don't count the null values. Alright, so this is how it works. I'm just giving you a scenario that I just want to count the countries of the Asia, how many countries the Asia have. So for that, what you need to do here is where continent. So let's just try this thing. I just want to this. Let me check how many countries the Asia continent have. So now you can see that the Asia continent have the 51 countries. If you want to know Africa. Alright, so this is how the count function work. Okay, now we have to talk about the average function. Okay, in the average function and the sum function only works on the numerical columns. Okay, the columns with the numerical values. Okay, what does the average function is doing? It will give you the average value of that column, of that numerical column. Let me just check out the population first. I want to see the population here. Now you can see that we have all the different values of different countries in the population. What the average function is doing, that it will take all these values and make an average and give you in return. Okay, so avg population. Now you can see that it is giving me the average value. So this is how the average function work. Okay, so now we are trying out the sum function, and what is the functionality of this function? That it will sum or add all the values that are available in our population. It will add all these values here. Write sum here. Okay, now you can see that it is giving me, it is just adding all the values that were available in the population. Okay, if I just write indep here, yeah, it will give you the value. It is just giving you the sum of all the values that are available in that column. Okay, I just want to know the population of the Europe continent. So where Europe? Okay, it will only add the population of the countries that belongs to the Europe. So this is how these three functions work. And if you really find this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe the channel, and bye bye.